How to get front camera flash on TikTok. Let's begin by opening the TikTok app. Click on the plus button on the lower mid area of the screen. And as you can see, when I turn off the light, it will be pitch black. What we're going to do here is go to settings, scroll down, and proceed to accessibility. Open display and text size and turn on classic invert. Once you turn that on, make sure to adjust your brightness to the highest level so it can reach the brightness that we want. Now go back to TikTok, and here you may start recording your video. For representation purposes, I will use my hand. After recording, go back to settings and turn off the classic invert. Go back to TikTok app once again, and here you can see that my hand is visible. So that is how you get front camera flash on TikTok. Do let us know if this video helped you out. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a great day.